Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where the day egg of the onsen egg hunt is in Heartopia, as well as where the bubble is. So for the egg, you are going to go in here and you'll see it in like Atara's area. Again, don't forget to take a picture of it first. There we go. And then for the bubble, we are going to go to the art street. So I'll be right back when I'm there. So the location of the bubble is near these steps here. You'll see it on top of this bench and you're just going to grab it. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!